Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and loading the Engrave It pen so it's ready to run. First, charge the battery 30 to 60 minutes until the LED is steady. This prevents power drops mid-engrave. Next, install the carbide tip and tighten only about 1/4 turn past finger tight so it won't wobble. Once done, select the material, metal, glass, or coated plastic, and clamp it flat with roughly 0.5 to 2 mm gap under the tip to avoid digging in. You now dial in engraving parameters and practice before committing. Set speed based on material, around 10 to 15 for soft surfaces and 3 to 7 for hard ones because speed controls bite and finish. Once selected, do a quick test scratch on scrap to see depth, then adjust by changing pressure and feed rate. After that, engrave with steady, overlapping passes, maintaining about a 10 to 20 degree tilt, so you can see the line and keep consistent. You finish by cleaning and securing your work and tools. Carefully brush away dust and residue, then wipe with isopropyl and let the piece dry so finishes adhere properly. If the pen skips or sputters, check tip tightness first, confirm battery is charged, and verify the material isn't harder than expected. These are the most common causes. Finally, store the carbide tip in its sleeve and note the speed and pressure settings you used for easy reproduction next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.